What's up, guys? It's Spam the Steampunk Nerfer, and today I'm dressed down a little bit. Don't be afraid. Got my wonderful Naptown Nerf shirt on here. Super duper comfy. Pick one up at Naptown Nerf's site. I believe he's got an Etsy or something like that where you can pick one of these up. I'll link down to his channel below. However, that's not the topic of today's video. Today's topic is the Caliburn. Now, to be specific, this is the Arcane version of the Caliburn, and it is Arcane #1, and it has been personalized to me from Drac. Now, this comes directly out of Drac Studios. It's Aethernaut Incorporated, what have you. This is one of the Arcane series Caliburns. Now, I have not had the pleasure of messing around with a whole lot of Caliburns, unfortunately for me. And I know that they're not new on the market because, well, they've been around for quite some time now. But given that this is the new Arcane series, there are a couple of things that I'd like to go over on it. Now, the thing about the Arcane series is that it is really designed to be a premium product that is pretty bespoke for each individual user. And for that reason, we use higher quality filaments like Filamentum. This has all been printed out with Filamentum filament, from their Vertigo Gray to their Cobalt Blue, and of course their lovely, lovely Rosewood Timberfill. This will be replaced with an Orange Tip if I ever do take it out into an actual battle or Nerf war. However, this is a premium quality product, and it takes a lot longer to make than a standard one of the Caliburns, say, for example, coming out of Slug's shop. Now, going over all of that, there have been a lot of design changes to this from the original Caliburn. Now, since I am pretty inexperienced with Caliburns, sorry guys, I really haven't had a chance to really play with one or actually be able to see the physical differences myself. But so this Caliburn actually matches my FDL completely. They are brothers in arms, and I think that is really, really cool. So since they are both Filamentum products, as far as all the filament and the printing, it's actually printed with a lower base height, so it gets a much, much finer print quality with the finished product. Now, again, since I haven't really messed with a whole lot of Caliburns, I don't know the exact design differences, but both Pat, EOC Dragon, and Drac have both made a lot of design changes to all of the parts here. Now, they may be subtle, they may not be. Like I said, again, I'm not sure. However, this thing delivers the hits. This one in particular is designed for full-length darts. You have the option of doing half-lengths. I personally almost never shoot half-lengths unless I'm in an NIC war, and at that juncture, I'm using Steffens, you know, the Southeast Slugs. And with that, I honestly think that you're better off with a full-length dart because you're going to be able to find and scavenge more of them off the battlefield, which is going to be nicer for you. So, given that, I have a 6-round mag with me, and of course it just pops right in. Now, I'm going to be shooting offhand here for a second, but then I'll shoot to my normal side, just so I can gladly display this loving spam logo here. But the K25 really delivers the hits on this. And the reason why we chose the K25 is the fact that the K25 is much better balanced for full-length darts. Now, Spam, why didn't you go the K26? Because the K26 is better. Honestly, I am a filthy, filthy southpaw, and therefore I like to fire with my dominant hand rather than pulling on a slide or on a grip. So the point there is that I have to utilize my offhand, my weaker hand, in order to keep delivering the hits. And I'll be honest, this thing is freaking awesome because it shoots absolute laser beams, even with the AccuStrike darts. And the thing is, Man, it's just such a smooth action to fire, and you are able to deprime it. I love this blaster so much. So, premium product, super cool, tons of changes on the design. Drac, thank you so much for this blaster. Slug, thank you for designing it. Naptown, thank you for my shirt. Super comfy. Stay steamy, my friends.